Today I went to ShopRite and again I saw these chocolates there and I decided I have to review it. I already tasted it before and it's really nice. $4.99 each. It's ridiculously cheap. I tasted the strawberry one already. This is a caramel one. I haven't tasted it, so it's the first time I taste this. But let's try it. It's all in the taste, as I always say. Here goes. Really nice. For $4.99. It's cheap. I saw there's even smaller ones for R3, $2.99. As well. For this one, I'll give an 8.2 out of 10. Now the strawberry one. Always in the taste, as I always say. Actually, see the strawberry. The strawberry one is really nice. I rate it at 8.6 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you, until next time.